MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mohsin Agwan from ABM World. As I came to Bangkok, to Thailand, to promote my website abmworld.com. So it was a good experience. Do see my videos, comment, share, like on my YouTube page, visit my website. The trip was very nice. It was 3 days memorable trip. Enjoyed a lot of things in Bangkok. The Bangkok, Thailand is very good. Now I'm going to Malaysia for the promotion. Singapore. Earlier also I went to Singapore. Now again going to Singapore. Request you to please visit my website, like my ABM World page, and do enjoy my videos on YouTube. I will add more new products very soon. Products I'm finalizing it, so have a look on my products. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon in Malaysia and next in Singapore. So do like, comment, share on my YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel, websites. Okay. Till then, see you. Goodbye.